went online and we saw these cute things from Maileg. And we thought, oh, they're so cute. Let's just make it a dollhouse. But they were really expensive, so we couldn't buy it all. And so we had all these dollhouse accessories laying around. And so
we
want
to make them cuter into a dollhouse for her.
Yeah, we're gonna remodel all these into a dollhouse. And if you're new to our channel, I am Brookie.
I'm Kenzie. And I'm Ella.
And Hayden. And this is Hayden. And this is the Sister Squad. And make sure you subscribe.
Penny for the Sister Squad too.
And give this video a big thumbs up.
Okay, so we had some chalk paint. We picked up a little bit more. And then any accessories that a little mouse would steal from a house for his own house, like the little spools right here. We picked up some of those from the store. We have some paint brushes and some hot glue. We got some fabric to cover our couches and make our blankets and pillows. And Maileg has this wrapping paper that we're going to use as our wallpaper. We're just going to attach that with that spray adhesive right there to our Ikea bookshelves. Ready to paint, girls?
Ready. So guys, we are just painting right now our furniture. I'm working on the sofa. Guys, so what you are working on, please?
I am working on the table, the dining table.
And I'm working on the bed. I'm working on the fridge.
The doorbell's up.
Okay.
And if you get a doorbell, that's our dad. And it's all right if we drip it onto the table because we put down paper.
This might take forever for me.
We're painting and
we'll see you tomorrow.
when we're ready to set up the house DIY.
So hey everybody, and today, we did our overcoat. Make sure to let them dry overnight. So this is what they look like right now. And right now we're really just hot gluing fabric. And yeah. So look, you can, so these are all the fabrics. So we have this one, that one, and this one. That one we already used. And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And they're really cute. And this is what we worked with so far. So next we're going to wax these and we'll be right back. So this is 80 Sloan wax. And all you really do is put it around and we smooth it. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my wrap. So this is what it looks like. It's going to be pretty shiny. And then go ahead and then wipe off the extra like this. And there you go with the top of your layer. Okay, so now we finished all of this, all of our furniture. And we have all the little mice and bunnies in here. And there's a baby, a sister, a little baby again, mom, dad. The next, all we gotta do is add our wallpaper. Oh, I can't hold all of it, you guys.
We finished all the flooring, and so now it's time to do the wallpaper.
This is heavy, you guys. Yeah. It's like a weight. 10 pounds.
I know. We finished with the DIY dollhouse. And so this is how you make it. So we have the kitchen,
The dining room, the nursery baby room,
and the living room.
with the parents.
Yeah. So that's how you make it. And
This is 3 rooms.
we were gonna add balls, and then we're like, wait, it's super cute without balls. We have such cute silverware.
And we should
Popcorn. We got popcorn because this is like a mouse grabbing stuff out of houses to make their own house. And so, bye. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, and give this video a big thumbs up. So, comment down below if you think this is a good idea to change a dresser, an Ikea dresser, into a beautiful mouse house. That rhymes.